Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video.
I'm on top of the world. Deep pussy nigga can't stop.
Right now I'm just getting ready to go on the boat, just doing my eyebrows. They're a little messy. This is what I'm wearing on the boat.
I need me a bad today. I had to get up off my ass today. I'm living the flashy way. I skirt in this bitch like a drag race. Count out the cash, ayy. My diamonds, they shine with no flash, ayy. Today is a happy day, cause I went and got me a bad today. I need me a bad today.
Right now we're going to go rent a boat. Oh, she's ready. What if I fall? They are leaving me. Drive. Here. Hi, welcome back to our channel. Just kidding. So, what are we gonna talk about? That's a good question. So we got our nails done today. Cute. And we got our toes done yesterday, but we're not gonna show you that. I can't even reach that high. Okay, so we're on the boat. Oh! So we have cups right here. She just almost knocked. Oh! You know, it's fine. It's fine. So, how's your trip so far in AZ? Good. It's super dry. That's why her leg's been ashy all day. Okay. So, we're going to be going to California, LA. So, be ready for those videos. And if you want us to do any challenges, comment down below. If you have any questions, you know, let us know. If you want us to do anything wild, we're about it. Okay. We're about it. I don't know about that. Okay, we're gonna play Would You Rather. Okay. So would you rather lose an arm or lose a leg? I would definitely lose an arm. I think I'd rather lose a leg. I would rather lose an arm. Okay, I got a good one. Oh, okay, fine. Would you rather eat dog poop or have somebody fart in your face 20 times like this close? Whoa! Like a tiny piece of dog poop, or have somebody fart in your face like this close, like 20 times. Better eat that nugget. I don't know. I think it would have to be the poop, but that air thing, like what if I wear a mask? No, nothing. You gotta have your mouth open. Oh, heck no! You gotta breathe it in. She said your nostrils are open. Mouth, nostrils, everything open. Okay. So, I would eat dog poop. I would eat dog poop. Would you rather shave your eyebrows off or get a mohawk? Get a mohawk. Yeah? I'd rather shave my eyebrows off because they grow back quick. No. And you could draw them on. That's what most bitches do. Yeah, but sometimes when you shave your eyebrows off, they don't grow back in the same spot. It's like, once you shave it off, it's gone, sweetie. Would you rather lose your nose or lose your ears?
Ooh, that's rough. I'm losing my nose.
Yeah, I'm losing my nose. You would rather have your mouth open 24/7 to breathe? Well, I want to be able to hear.
Oh, damn. You put it like that.
Like, he's putting eating flies. I would rather lose my ears. What do I need to hear for? Oh, wait, I got one. Okay. Would you rather be lost in the ocean or lost in space? Space.
I'm dying.
Well, if you're lost in space, you're gone for life. Well, yeah. If you're lost in the ocean, there's still a chance. Yeah, but you die slower.
It's expensive to get up into space. So you get up there, you might as well die.
Okay. No, that's not the way we're thinking. Hey guys. So today we're going to an aquarium. It's like a water aquarium, but also it has like a big thing of like butterflies and like all those things. So we're about to go there. Oh my God, you are about. And don't ask why this is in their room, because that's none of y'all's business.
I put these ones on or these ones
Dang, look at these junks.
on? What you mean?
Yes.
These
yes.
Right.
Do it. Wear those.
I'm ready.
Y'all got some too or no?
No, she ain't got none.
Dang, she lame. So we just got to the aquarium.
Be careful where you're stepping because there are butterflies everywhere.
With the water? You need to have water. Yeah. Oh my God! They're everywhere. Oh my God. Wow. Yeah. So we're going upstairs to get some food. So we're at a pizza restaurant. I got lemonade. She got, what'd you get? Palmer. Pulling up to the aquarium now. The little turtle, so cute. That one's swimming. Literally, guys, look how it's just floating. What? Oh my God, you're lying. Oh my God. Oh heck no. Oh my God. We can touch them, but I don't know if I want to. Oh. Me touching a booger. A booger? Go. Ew, yeah, it was really gooey. All right, we're going to the giant Pacific Ocean. Oh. Sounded like Dory. Oh, look at the turtle. Wow.
I'm on top of the world. You pussy nigga can't stop. Stop, like Milwaukee. Pussy, a lot.